Think your home is too dark for beautiful plants? Think again. Most people believe that if a room has no windows, every plant will slowly die. But that's far from the truth. There are incredible houseplants that naturally grow on the shady forest floor, making them perfectly adapted to dim indoor spaces. Whether it's a cozy living room, a small apartment, or a windowless bathroom with only artificial light, these green champions can thrive where other plants struggle. In today's video, we're revealing 15 low-light legends that are easy to care for, stunning to look at, and perfect for beginners. Some even help purify the air and add a relaxing tropical vibe to your home. Stay until the end, because our final plant is one of the toughest houseplants ever grown. It can survive conditions that would destroy most others. 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is often called the king of low-light houseplants. Its upright, sword-like leaves stay beautiful even in rooms that receive very little natural sunlight. Although it grows faster in bright, indirect light, it easily survives under artificial lighting for long periods. This makes it an excellent choice for windowless living rooms, offices, and bathrooms. Snake plants also store water in their thick leaves, so they rarely need watering. Wait until the soil becomes completely dry before watering again. Overwatering is the biggest mistake people make. Besides its dramatic appearance, this plant helps improve indoor air quality and requires almost no maintenance, making it one of the easiest plants for beginners. 2. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant has become famous because it seems almost impossible to kill. Its thick, glossy leaves store both water and nutrients, allowing it to survive in dark corners where other plants would fail. Even offices with fluorescent lights often keep ZZ plants looking healthy for years. Water only every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your home's humidity. TS, waxy dark green leaves naturally reflect light, creating an elegant, modern appearance. Because it grows slowly in low light, it requires very little pruning or maintenance. If you're frequently away from home or forget to water your plants, the ZZ plant is one of the safest choices you can make. 3. Cast iron plant. Its name says everything. The cast iron plant earned its reputation because it tolerates neglect, poor lighting, and inconsistent watering better than almost any other houseplant. Native to the forest floors of Japan, it naturally grows beneath dense tree canopies where sunlight barely reaches. Its broad, dark green leaves create a rich tropical appearance in any room. Teas especially suitable for hallways, apartments, and bathrooms that receive little natural light. Water only when the top few inches of soil become dry, and avoid direct sunlight, which may scorch its leaves. This is truly one of the toughest indoor plants available. 4. Peace lily. Peace lilies are famous for their graceful white flowers and glossy green leaves. While blooming is more frequent with brighter indirect light, the plant itself grows surprisingly well in low-light rooms. It also enjoys the extra humidity found in bathrooms, making it one of the best bathroom plants available. The leaves naturally droop when thirsty, giving you a clear signal that it's time to water. Peace lilies also help freshen indoor air while adding elegance to modern home decor. Keep the soil lightly moist, but never soggy, and your peace lily can remain beautiful for many years. 5. Chinese Evergreen. Chinese Evergreen is one of the most colorful plants that still performs exceptionally well in low-light environments. Its leaves feature beautiful patterns of silver, green, cream, or even pink, depending on the variety. Unlike many colorful plants that demand bright sunlight, Chinese evergreens remain attractive in darker rooms. They grow slowly, need very little fertilizer, and prefer evenly moist soil. Their adaptability makes them ideal for apartments, bedrooms, and offices with limited windows. They're also remarkably forgiving if you occasionally forget regular watering. 6. Pothos. Pothos is one of the world's most popular trailing houseplants, for good reason. Its cascading vines quickly brighten shelves, cabinets, and hanging baskets. While brighter light encourages more variegation, pothos continues growing in surprisingly dim conditions. It's also incredibly easy to propagate by rooting cuttings in water. Let the top inch of soil dry before watering again. Trim long vines occasionally to encourage bushier growth. This adaptable plant is perfect for beginners looking to fill dark spaces with lush greenery. 7. Heartleaf Philodendron. Heartleaf Philodendron is loved for its soft, heart-shaped leaves and graceful, trailing vines. Native to tropical rainforests, it naturally grows beneath thick forest canopies, making it well adapted to low light. It tolerates occasional mist waterings and grows steadily with minimal care. This plant looks beautiful, climbing moss poles or spilling from hanging baskets. Its elegant appearance makes any room feel warm and inviting without requiring constant attention. 8. Spider plant. Spider plants remain one of the easiest indoor plants for beginners. Their arching green and white leaves brighten even dark rooms, while their baby plantlets create a cascading waterfall effect. They tolerate low light surprisingly well, although growth slows compared to brighter locations. Spider plants appreciate occasional watering and moderate humidity. They're also easy to propagate, allowing you to create dozens of new plants from one mature specimen. 9. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo isn't actually bamboo at all, but it thrives indoors under low light and artificial lighting. Often grown in decorative glass containers filled with water and stones, it requires minimal maintenance. Simply replace the water every week or two and avoid direct sunlight. According to Feng Shui traditions, lucky bamboo symbolizes prosperity, harmony, and good fortune. Its clean vertical stems complement modern interior designs beautifully. 10. Parlor palm. Parlor palm has decorated homes since the Victorian era because it thrives in indoor conditions. Its feathery fronds bring a tropical feeling to dim rooms without demanding much sunlight. It prefers evenly moist soil, but dislikes sitting in water. Bathrooms often provide the humidity it loves. Even with slow growth, this elegant palm becomes a beautiful statement plant over time. 11. Bird's nest fern. Unlike many ferns, bird's nest fern is surprisingly beginner-friendly. Its large, wavy leaves grow from a central rosette, creating a dramatic sculptural appearance. It naturally prefers humid, shaded environments, making bathrooms an ideal location. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid watering directly into the center crown to prevent rot. 12. Dracaena Janet Craig. Dracaena Janet Craig is famous for tolerating office buildings with little natural sunlight. Its glossy dark green leaves remain attractive year-round while requiring minimal care. It grows slowly and only needs watering after the soil partially dries. This elegant plant adds height and structure to living rooms and hallways while thriving under fluorescent lighting. 13. Aglaonema Silva Bay. Silva Bay is one of the most stunning Aglaonema varieties. Its broad, silver green leaves brighten dark interiors by reflecting available light. It grows steadily under low light, appreciates average household humidity, and requires only moderate watering. This variety combines beauty with remarkable toughness, making it an excellent beginner plant. 14. English Ivy. English ivy creates elegant cascading vines that soften shelves, cabinets, and hanging baskets. Although brighter light encourages faster growth, it adapts surprisingly well indoors under lower light conditions. Regular trimming encourages fuller growth while preventing long, sparse vines. Bathrooms with extra humidity help this plant stay lush and healthy. 15. Devil's Backbone. Euphorbia tithamyloides. This unusual plant stands out because of its zigzag stems and distinctive growth habit. It tolerates lower light better than many succulents, while still preferring bright, indirect light when available. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry completely between waterings. Its architectural appearance makes it a fascinating conversation piece in modern interiors. Despite its unique look, it remains surprisingly easy to maintain. There you have it, 15 incredible low-light legends that prove you don't need bright sunny windows to enjoy a lush indoor jungle. Whether you're decorating a cozy apartment, a windowless bathroom, or a dark living room, these resilient houseplants can transform any space into a relaxing green oasis with very little effort. Remember, even low-light plants appreciate occasional indirect light and careful watering. Choosing the right plant for your home's conditions is the secret to long-lasting success. Which of these amazing houseplants is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy indoor gardening tips, plant care secrets, and beautiful houseplant inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.